Hello everyone! I recently made a video about rotation in Magicavoxel, but I now deleted it, because I said that there wasn't a clear way for rotating an object that wasn't for 90 degrees, but there actually is. Now, if you want to do with a button that you click and rotate, you can only rotate for 90 degrees, but at the same time you have an extremely powerful tool, the command line. If you write ROT90 and the name of the axis, we've selected the area you want to rotate, you can rotate by 90 degrees. And at the same time, you can write ROT space the name of the axis, for example, X, and space the degrees you want to rotate the object for example, 30, and it's great. You can rotate the object by 30 degrees. So, this is everything for this video. Thank you for being here, and see you to the next video. Bye bye!